Hello, today we're going to play a game called Matching the Balloon with a Flashcard. So what we need is a balloon, markers, flashcard, and tape. Okay, so first of all, let's blow up the balloon. So I think this would be a good size. And I'll tie it. And on the surface balloon, I will write the flashcard on the balloon. So the first one is Leo, it means 6, it's Leo. We are going to write on this one for 6. So this one is 6, it's Leo. And then we will use a little bit of tape. And then make them into a circle. And make sure the sticky part is outside of the tape. So, and then we'll put it behind the balloon and we'll stick on the wall. And then we will make the balloon wall with all the flashcards on there. And the kids can get a flashcard, run to the balloon to find their matching card. Okay, so then we make a second one. The first one is Leo is 6. The second one is R, it means 2, R. R is 2. Now we're going to write R on there. So this is R is 2, R. So get another piece of tape. And I'll put behind the balloon. And make sure it's round so the both sides will have a stick. And put it behind and put next to it. So that's his 2 balloons up there, and we'll make more. So here is the word. Oops, this is falling off. I will use a bigger tape than that. So here's a 5, 3, 6, 2, 4, 5. So we will give a flashcard to the kids. So we can give to 2 kids or 1 kid or 2 teams, and then let's see which team or which kids can get the most of card. So we'll hand a card to a kid, and then this is 3 means a 3, right? 3, and then we're gonna find the wall. Oh, here it's 3. He just 3, and when the kids grab the balloon, and the tape is behind it, and make sure we have tape behind the balloon, and then we can stick the flashcard on the back of the balloon. So that's just 1 score for the kids. Matching words with a flashcard, matching balloon words with a flashcard. So that is a point for them. I would say which kids or which group will get most of the points. So next one is 4, and let's find 4. And make sure when they grab it, the tape is behind it, and we are going to tape the 4 on the back of it. So we'll know it's a 4, it's 4, and the back here is 4. So next one is R, is 2. Let's see where is R. Here is R. And the tape is behind here. I'll make sure the tape is over here. So here's 2. The next one is Leo is 6. So Leo will have tape here and tape is back here. Leo, right? And then next one is 5, is 5. 5. So here it's 5. Cool. Boys, right now each of you have 3 cards, and then when you find the cards, make sure you stick it behind the balloon. The first kid who finished is the winner of the game. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Good job. You found one? Go find another one.
No, it came off.
It's all right. Put that behind the tape. Yeah, good job. Put it on the ground.
Okay.
Good job. Let me see who go find another one. Make sure you know which car is yours.
Yeah, all done.
Good job, Alan. Thomas, you ready?
Is this the same?
I don't know. You have to check.
Ah!